Questions 24 through 26 are a little bit more complicated because these are the ones that say at least or at most. And I actually want to start with question 26. So find the probability of the surgery being successful on at most 2 patients. So at most 2 means 0, 1, and 2. So there's a couple ways that we can calculate this. It's the probability that it's 0 through 2. So if you did 3 binomial PDFs, one for the 0, one for the 1, and one for the 2, you'll get 0.001, 0.027, and 0.243. And if you add them up, then you get 0.271. Now, there is a faster way, and that's to use the binomial CDF. The binomial CDF is cumulative, so it starts at 0 and then works its way up to whatever number you enter in. So I'm going to type binomial CDF of 3, 0.90, 2. So it's in the same place as binomial PDF. You have to type second and then distribution. And then I'm going to type 3, 0.90, 2, and we get 0.271. So the binomial CDF calculates multiple binomial PDFs all at once. And again, it starts at 0 and works its way up to whatever number you type in. And in this case, we typed in 2. Let's look at 24. Find the probability of the surgery being successful on at least 1 patient. So that would be x is equal to 1, 2, and 3. So the probability of 1 through 3, we could take the binomial PDFs for 1, 2, and 3, which are 0.027, 0.243, and 0.729, and add them up to get 0.999. Now, we can't use the binomial CDF directly because the binomial CDF has to start at 0, and this one starts at 1. But we can use it as the complement. So if we take 1 minus the probability of 0, which is 1 minus binomial CDF of 3, 0.90, 0, then we get the same thing. For 25, find the probability of the surgery being successful on at least 2 patients. This would be x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So we're trying to find the probability of 2 through 3. And again, we can't use the binomial CDF directly because it has to start at 0 and work its way from left to right. But we can use it as the complement. So the probability of 2 through 3 is equal to 1 minus the probability of 0 through 1. Again, we can do this because all of the probabilities have to add up to be 1. So this is equal to 1 minus the binomial CDF, 3, 0.90, 1, which is 0.972. And all of these answers are consistent with questions 7 through 9.